In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alert on Oanda. Price alerts help you stay on top of the market without staring at charts all day. I'll show you two reliable ways to do it using MetaTrader 5 on desktop and TradingView so you can choose the workflow that fits you best. Let's start with MetaTrader 5 on desktop. Open MetaTrader 5, then look to the bottom of the platform for the Toolbox panel. If you don't see it, it may be minimized. Expand it so you can access the tools you need. Inside the toolbox, switch to the Alerts tab. This is where all your alerts will live. Right-click anywhere inside that Alerts window and choose Create. A dialog will open where you define exactly what you want to be notified about. Set the symbol to the asset you're tracking, such as XAUUSD or NAS100, so the alert follows the correct market. Next, choose the condition, which determines when the alert fires. Pick Bid if you want to be notified when price moves above a level, or Bid if you want to know when it drops below a level. Then, in the Value field, type the exact price level you care about. When everything looks right, click OK. From now on, when the market meets your condition, MT5 will play a sound or send a notification depending on your platform settings. For example, if XAUUSD is at 2000 and you want a heads up at 2010, set symbol to XAUUSD, condition to bid, and value to 2010. That's it. Simple and precise. A quick tip: double-check the symbol and price format before you confirm, especially on instruments that move in smaller increments. Now let's look at TradingView, which many traders find even faster for alerts. Open a chart for the market you're watching. Move your cursor to the price level that matters and right-click directly on the chart. Choose Add Alert. In the Alert window, select your condition: crossing for when price touches and passes a level, or greater than and less than for directional triggers. Enter the price level you want monitored. Then choose how you'd like to be notified: app notification if you use the TradingView app, email for inbox alerts, or a pop-up on the site. Click Create, and TradingView will take care of the rest as soon as the level is reached. For speed, press Alt+A to open the alert window instantly, or click the small plus icon on the price scale to set an alert right where your cursor is. That's how you set dependable price alerts with Oanda using MT5 and TradingView. Set them once and let the platforms watch the market for you.